Polychrome&air makes some well-loved press-on nails, and they just sent me their glossy nude squoval press-ons for review, so let me put these on and show you how incredible they are. Now, my nails are embarrassingly bad right now. I do a lot of housework and gardening, and I manage to damage my nails all the time, and that's why I love press-ons, because they can make my ugly fingernails look great for going out on the town, day-to-day life, and product review videos. And look how pretty those are. You get 30 nails, so you can find exactly the right sizes for each of your fingers. And what I look for in a press-on is something that is still really quite thin. I want to be a little more tapered towards the cuticle so it looks more natural. And you can always tell which side is which, as one side will be more rounded, as that's the point that will go towards your cuticle. Look how nice that looks, that's so pretty. And then the other side will have a bit of a rougher edge. You can see that this has a slight rough spot there, and that is normal. It's just where it was held in the production. And once you put these on, you will file that and make it all nice and clean for yourself. Now I've selected the 5 that best fit my nails, and I love that I have the extra, as sometimes you lose a nail and it's nice to have some extra to work with. And also, if you really want to stretch this kit, you can work with these. They'll be a little off on your fingernails, but you can make a second set if you want to. Now, what's very cool about these is while you can just use the nail glue is really strong and can hurt your nails. Whereas these are designed for you to add the adhesive tabs to your fingernails and then glue the nails to the adhesive tabs, which will make the nails hold onto the tabs much longer, but be much kinder to your fingernails in the end. So I'm just gonna add the sticker onto my thumb, and then once it's on, I'll peel off the top layer, make sure the sticker stays on my finger, and then I can use the orange stick to push in any excess or cut it off so it's as clean as I can get it. And now I'll put glue on the nail, and then I'll stick it at an angle so kind of get under the cuticle, and then push down and then hold. And now they're all on. I am loving them. They look so good. And so now is when I can trim them down or file them and make them exactly as I want them. But I cannot tell you how impressed I am with these gorgeous press-on nails from Polychrome&air.